attending this informational webinar, and I'm going to show you exactly how my art is different, and in fact quite a bit different than the prior art that's been cited in the previous 5 office actions. Let's first off start by, I'm going to first off share my screen, and I'll bring up today's agenda, which I've already shared with you. And what I want to do is to first off show you a 30-second video that the end user sees and views when he first logs in to the mobile site that tells him how to use Clickety Split, which is the mobile site that we use my art in. I'll then do a live screen share of clicketysplit.com and demonstrate how it greatly speeds the end user's search. For example, it is 99.9% tapping, with typing only required to change city map. We've also uniquely placed the zoom in function button icon right on the clustered POI map, right beside the POI clusters. And this allows them to just click that icon, tap here to zoom in, and zoom right into the next level down, or the next level down all the way to street level to capture those POI that's in that subcategory and category that is selected. We've also built our site so that, our art, so that any end user can very, very quickly compare one POI within the same category and subcategory in the nearby area with another one. That greatly speeds the research function. We also have built the art so that the end user is in total control of his online and mobile experience. He pulls down what interests him, and nothing else, no ads or anything else, are ever pushed onto his small smartphone screen. Changing categories with our art is as simple as tapping a category and then a subcategory, and there's no need to start a brand new search to say change a subcategory like steak restaurants to American restaurants. I'll also show you how you can start a brand new search by just tapping, no typing, and that is definitely speeding the end user search. We'll next move to a live screen share of the Clickety Split Wizard, where any business can build their unique dynamic billboard in about 20-25 minutes with our wizard. If 100,000 businesses build their billboards, there's 100,000 unique dynamic billboards. None are ever duplicated. I'll then move to the very exciting area where we change the content of one of those billboards hot deals in real time in just 3 or 4 minutes by running a flash sale at one of my customers. We'll then finalize things with a Q&A session. Please answer any and all questions that you may have. And I'm going to first off show you the PC site that was developed first. Of course, it's had several iterations of involvements of the user interface since then, since 2007. But the underlying technology is the very, very same as we used and built back in 2007 and moved forward even to the mobile side. So everything is the very, very same technology-wise as it was in 2007 when we filed the patent. I'll now share the screen and bring up that PC site and show you how we built this site to make it easy also to search by categories. You just click on categories. Just click on categories, and you can click on like restaurants, steak restaurants, and only the points of interest that meet that criteria within the displayed map's coordinates are displayed on the map. You click on a red dot, and the next thing that pops up is the Mirabel's dynamic billboard. For example, they got hot deals running here, coupons, 3 coupons, along with images, descriptions, restrictions, and so forth, multimedia, and so forth. And I'm going to now move over to and demonstrate the mobile site, which is everything now is mobile first. So we have, of course, built our site to be a very, very fast mobile site. Pardon me. I'm going to right now play a video that the end user plays at login that explains to him how to use our technology.
Want to quickly find a restaurant nearby? Just tap for that. Want to sort those restaurants by type of cuisine without having to start a brand new search? Just tap for that. Want to go shopping or find entertainment close by? Just tap for that too. Whatever you want to do, you can do it with Clickety Split in just seconds by just tapping, not typing. And you'll never see any advertisement forced onto your mobile screen. Never, ever. Talk about a breath of fresh air.
I'm going to now show you a live demonstration of Clickety Split on the mobile site. You just tap the category, tap a subcategory, and then type in the location you want to. You only type this in if your default map is not displayed, or you want to change locations. As you can see, there's an icon over the clustered red dots that says tap here to zoom in. So you tap that icon to zoom in, and immediately the points of interest that meet that criteria, restaurant, steak, are displayed on that local map. And only the POI that are on the map that fall within the GPS coordinates are displayed on this local map. You then tap a red dot to display that dynamic billboard. Here we have featured roast beef au jus. You can click to see the promo code that gives you the special offer. That's how the business tracks those narrowcast analytics. Scroll down to the next image. There's also then 3 coupons among 6 styles of coupons. The next marketing pane is rich multimedia. It's a slideshow, and below the slideshow is the scrolling marketing message that is used by the end user, by the point of interest, to reinforce his special offers. It can play a video. It can play an audio.
Mayor Bulls is the hopping place in Brentwood for lunch, dinner, and Sunday brunch.
And then scroll down to view menus and so forth. The last marketing pane is called Quick Information and Guest Reviews, and we use a standard format for general information so that the point of interest enters in information about his business so that the end user can see exactly, for example, his health department score, his website location, and so forth, what credit cards are accepted. This format is standard so that the end user can quickly compare one point of interest and their hot deals and disqualify them or qualify them based on certain of his criteria. To view another billboard, you just X out of that, move over and tap another red dot, and immediately displayed is a Longhorn Steakhouse dynamic billboard, hot deals, coupons, and so forth. So it's very easy to compare one restaurant against another one. For example, this restaurant has a 5-point lower scale and health department score than the previous one. So everything is built to empower that end user and also that that business owner. You can mouse over or tap another red dot to display their billboard. And again, we only our database is built so that only the points of interest that fall within that selected criteria, in this case, restaurant steak, are displayed on that hyper local map. And then only the POI that fall within the GPS coordinates of that local map are displayed. To change type of cuisine, you just type subcategories, tap American, and on the very same map where we had displayed previously steak restaurants and are now American restaurants with the Chili's dynamic billboard. To change categories altogether, you just tap categories, tap entertainment, tap sports bars, for example, and on the very same map where we had previously displayed steak restaurants and American restaurants, we're now displaying the cross corner bar and grills dynamic billboard. Therefore, the search is just that fast, that easy, and a lot quicker than any prior art, even quicker than what's out there today with Google and so forth. I'm going to now move over and show you the wizard that builds those billboards. In any business, local business, mom and pops up, can use this wizard to build their billboards in about 20-25 minutes. If they have a file of their images and text and so forth, they can use a wizard to build the content in about 20-25 minutes, and their billboards will be unique to them. There's no duplication at all in Clickety Split. The first page shows what marketing panes are available: hot deals, coupons, slideshow, video menus, quick information, and so forth. I'm going to skip down now and move over to the next page, which shows the pricing. And then skip down to the next page, and I'm going to change that billboard for mere bulls that we showed a while ago that featured roast beef sandwich au jus. I'm going to first off change that theme to the red theme. Click next. And I'm going to change also that image to the image of wine and so forth, because I'm going to feature a flash sale which features well drinks, wine, and so forth. So you just, I'm going to grab that off a notepad. I'm going to paste that. I'm going to come back up and describe my flash sale. I'm going to reinforce it as being 50% off. I'm going to then change the promo code to a brand new promo code so I can track that with Narrowcast Analytics. I'll click next, and that's it. I'm going to now go over and show you the updated billboard. I'm going to come out first off and clear my history.